Right, we're chapter 10B.1. We're going to learn about comparing non-major triads to major ones. So first, we're going to review some major triads. Now, once you can recognize these quickly, you can figure out what other triads are by comparing them to major ones, similar to what we did with major intervals. You would compare the major intervals to whatever interval it was, and you can tell if it was minor, augmented, diminished, etc. So for review, major triads will have a major third on the bottom and a minor third on top, and have top notes that are in the major scale or key of the bottom note. So it'll work if you have a minor on or major on bottom, minor on top, they'll be in the major scale. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to add a sharp or a flat to the third or fifth of each of these triads where necessary to make each triad major. So, and we're going to circle the ones that need no sharps or flats. Here's our lovely keyboard down here. So let's take a look at this first one. We got an A flat, we have a C, and we have an E. Let's check our intervals here. Remember, they need major third on bottom, minor third on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a major third on the bottom here, so we don't need to do anything to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another major third on top, so we need to do something to this E in order to make it a minor third. Because the major third, we need to lower it one to make it an E flat, so we're going to put a flat on the E. Next one, we have a G, B, and a D. G, B, D. Now let's check out these intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a major third on bottom, on the right track. 1, 2, 3. Minor third on top. We can leave that one as is, and we're going to circle that because it needs no sharps, no flats. Next one, we have C sharp, E, and G. C sharp, E, G. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Minor third on bottom. So we need to do something to that E. We need to raise it up so it's a major third. That's going to be an E sharp. So from E sharp, which is right here, I'm going to go and get rid of all of these. So we got an E sharp here. Let me draw that a little better. There we go. Then E sharp, and we need to do a minor third to get to the next one. So we know a minor third is going to be 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. That is going to be this note here, and here's our G. It was already on G. We need to do something to G to make it that note. Just add a sharp to it, and that'll get us where we need to be. And there we go. Next one. We have C, E, and G. Let's count the half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half steps for the bottom. That's a major triad on the bottom. We're on the right track. 1, 2, 3. Minor on top. That one is already a major triad. I'll do a couple bass clef ones, and then you will complete the rest on your own. So we're in bass clef here. We got a B, a D, and an F. Let's check. Major on bottom. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, we need to fix that. We're going to need to raise that by a half step to get it here. So it's going to be a D sharp. Now from there, we need 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. We need to raise this one up. So that is also going to be a sharp. And there we go. That is that chord there. Next one, we have a B flat. D flat. Whew. D flat, F, and A. Well, let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're good. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to lower this one, bring it here. That would make it an A flat. I was looking at the wrong one for a second. I'll go and do one more, and you'll do the rest on your own. We have right here, we've got a B flat, a D, and an F. Let's check each of the intervals. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Major, we're good. 1, 2, 3. Minor, also good. We'll leave that one as is, and you will complete the rest.